Former Home Secretary Ajay Kumar Bhalla was sworn in as 19th Governor of Manipur during a ceremony that was held at Darbar Hall of Raj Bhavan today. Ajay Kumar Bhalla was administered the oath of office and secrecy by Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, Dr. Krishna Kumar. Ajay Kumar Bhalla, a 1984 batch Indian Administrative Service officer of Assam Meghalaya cadre, succeeded Lakshman Prasad Acharya as governor of Manipur. Meanwhile, bestowing trust on the newly sworn-in governor, Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren, who was present at the oath-taking ceremony, said, Ajay Kumar Bhalla, with years of experience at home affairs, will definitely play a key role in restoration of peace and normalcy in the state. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Thokcham Satyabrata, President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, K. Megachandra, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, top officials from civil, police and paramilitary forces graced the oath-taking ceremony.
अजय कुमार भल्ला ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं श्रद्धापूर्वक मणिपुर के राज्यपाल के पद का कार्यपालन करूंगा तथा अपनी पूरी योग्यता से संविधान और विधि का परिरक्षण, संरक्षण और प्रतिरक्षण करूंगा और मैं अजय कुमार भल्ला मणिपुर की जनता की सेवा और कल्याण में निरत रहूंगा।
Side government and from my personnel, I wholeheartedly welcome the Ajay Bhalla ji. He is a good and a dynamic person who knows the ground reality and the ground situation of the entire India, particularly the Northeast, and in particular Manipur situation he know very well. With his appointment as the governor of the state, I fully believe that normalcy and peace will be restored in the state of Manipur as earlier. And I convey my peace message to all the community residing in the state of Manipur. Again, let us forgive and forget everything. What is the past is past. We should sit together and we should bring a permanent solution. Restoring. First priority should be restoration of peace in the state. Opposition will say sun is moon. That doesn't have any ideology. What I said was totally an apology and a sadness, expressing my sadness and a grave towards the victims. Those who are suffering peoples, those who are lost someone, loved one. I am seeking apology to them as on humanitarian. I am saying sorry to them, not to anybody. Why I should say sorry to the terrorists? No, I am saying sorry to those innocent people who died, who lost their loved one, who displaced from their homes. That's the things. Thank you.